I'm going to show you exactly how to send a password-protected email in Gmail step by step. Gmail calls this confidential mode, and it adds an expiry date and an SMS passcode to the message. Open Gmail in your browser and sign in, then click Compose in the top left corner. The Compose window opens in the bottom right. Before you type anything, look at the bottom toolbar of the Compose window. The button you need is a padlock with a small clock. Click it. On the mobile app, this same setting hides under the three-dot menu in the top right, but on desktop, this padlock is the one you want. If the padlock is grayed out and you are on a Workspace account, your admin has not allowed external confidential messages, so you will need them to turn it on. The Options panel opens without clearing anything you have written so far, so you can switch on confidential mode even after drafting. In the Set Expiration drop-down, choose how long the recipient has before the email expires. I will pick 1 week for a password-protected document because 1 day can expire before the person gets to their phone. The shortest window is 1 day, the longest is 5 years. Choose the shortest window you can live with. Under Passcode Options, select SMS Passcode. This is what makes it feel like a password-protected email. Gmail will send a text code to the recipient, and they have to enter it before the message opens. If they use Outlook, Yahoo, or any non-Gmail address, they still get the text code and then view the message through a link. Do not leave it on no SMS passcode here because then a Gmail recipient opens the message instantly with no code. Click Save. The Compose window comes back and you will see a small lock icon at the bottom telling you the message is in confidential mode. Now click into the To field and type the recipient's address. I am sending this to alex.martin@example.com. Press Tab or click into the subject line. Keep the actual password out of the subject. The subject stays unencrypted and shows in notification previews, which is exactly where someone would see it. Put the password in the body instead. Click into the message body and type the password or the sensitive line. I am going to write your temporary password is redmaple42. Notice I am putting that only in the body, then click the paperclip icon to attach the file. Choose the document from the file picker and let it upload. The attachment automatically inherits the same rules, so it cannot be copied or downloaded later. I also add a line here telling the recipient not to expect a forward button because Gmail blocks forwarding and copying on their end. Before you hit send, ask the recipient for their mobile number. That number has to be entered after send. Click Send now. Gmail opens a small phone number box. Click the country code dropdown and set the correct code for a United States number that is +1. The dropdown shows flags, so if the recipient is in another country, find the right one here. Type the phone number and click Send again. I always double check the country code because if it is wrong, the passcode text never arrives and the recipient is locked out. The message moves to the Sent folder with a small timer icon next to it. Click Sent in the left sidebar and open the message you just sent. The banner at the top confirms the expiration date and SMS passcode. That is how you know it went out protected. Here is your manual kill switch. At the top of the message is a Remove Access button. Click that and confirm, and the recipient's view is revoked immediately, even if they already have the passcode. I use this when I realize the password in the email has already been changed. While you are looking at the message, look at what the banner says. It blocks forwarding, copying, printing, and downloading. What it cannot block is a screenshot or a photo of the screen, so if the recipient can see the message, they can film it. That is a hole in this feature, not a setting you missed. That is why I tell the recipient ahead of time not to photograph the email. The subject line also stays visible in their inbox and in notifications, which is why you kept it clean. One more thing while you have this message open. If the password changes after you send, you cannot edit a confidential message. You remove access here and send a new email. If this kept your email locked down, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.